Are you looking for some fun activities to do with your children? Want your children to wind down and relax? Maybe your children enjoy yoga. Well, then this Pet Show Yoga Resource Pack may be just the activity pack for you. Teach your children a range of different yoga poses with our Pet Show Yoga Story Resource Pack. This fantastic Pet Show Yoga Story Resource Pack contains a script for a pet show story that acts as a fantastic introduction to yoga poses for kids. Explore the different yoga positions by displaying the PowerPoint so that the children can see step by step how to create the pose. There's also a set of cards with illustrations of each yoga pose, giving a helpful visual aid for kids. If you like our Pet Show Yoga Story Resource Pack, check out our range of yoga stories on different themes, including desert and animal yoga. These are sure to get kids excited about practicing yoga. So, why not head over to the Twinkl website to download this resource? Remember to leave a review to let us know what you thought of the resource. We always love to know. Until next time, bye for now.